Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru. Special shout out to electricians. Okay, so find the area of the shaded region. Alright, got it. We're going to have to find the area of a triangle, and that's 1/2 base times height. We know, let's see, the arc radius. What? So, I'm saying like, that thing is 10? Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, geez. I just saw that they gave us 10 on that side, too. Well, that's a nice hint, because I was quite confused about that. The arc radius. Okay. All right, I can do this. So, we got an equilateral triangle of 10, 10, 10. So, what's the height of that equilateral triangle? Well, if this is 5 and this is 60, then that is 5 radical 3. I know that's messy, but we hopefully are there. You have to be able to solve for a missing part of a special right triangle, and essentially, this is what we have. We have to find x. X is 5 radical 3. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 times 10 times 5 radical 3, which is 25 radical 3. So now, that other picture that I erased is going to be kind of more important. I think what I want to do is find the white area and subtract that. And so the question becomes, how big is that arc? I don't think it's 90. I feel like it should be 60. How do I know it's 60? I got it. Now I know what they're telling me. This is a weird problem, okay? Here's the only thing that's weird about it. I didn't know what an arc radius was. This is not an arc radius. The fact that that's 10 is really important because they're telling you that those, oh gosh darn it. So this picture is not going to be drawn to scale. That those are also 10. Okay? So what kind of triangle is that? Equilateral, and that's how we get 60 for the arc. Okay? So let me find the area of this thing that's called a segment. A segment is equal to the sector minus the triangle. The sector is equal to 1/6, so that's 60 divided by 360 times pi r squared, so times 100 pi. And the triangle is equal to 25 radical 3, and so that's going to be our segment area. Pause and calculate. Okay, so what you get for one segment is 9.0586. So what we're going to need to do is take the triangle and subtract 3 times the area of a segment. This is really a hard question. And you end up getting, you get 16.125 5 about 16. I would never write that as a regular, as an exact answer because it's just too complicated. Okay? Alright, the shaded area here. This is just a straight up special right triangle. So we know that since the hypotenuse is 12, this is 6, and this is 6 radical 3. Okay? So what we have to do is find the area of the triangle. So this is part B. The area of the triangle is 1/2 6 times 6 radical 3. So it's 18 radical 3. And then notice that once again, why do they always make these triangles 6, 6, 6? Okay, that's an equilateral triangle with side 6. So I need to find the area of this sector and add it. Sorry, the area of that segment and add it. The segment is, let's see, this is the area, so it's 1/6 times 36 pi minus the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 6 times 3 radical 3. So it's equal to 6 pi minus 9 radical 3. Boom. Have a great day!